Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to activate your eBay MasterCard Online. So if you want to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To activate your eBay MasterCard Online, first, open up a preferred web browser. Into the URL box, type in ebaymastercard.syf.com/activate, and soon after you do that, press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to this activation page for eBay MasterCard. You'll need to enter some of the information to activate your card. First, go ahead and enter the card number which is available on your MasterCard itself. Type it in the text box, and then on the next field, enter your security code. Your security code is 3 digits long and it is available at the back of your MasterCard. Enter it right here, and then on the last field, enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. Finally, click on Activate My Card in order to activate your eBay MasterCard Online. That is how you can easily activate your new eBay MasterCard Online with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.